using lower of cost and net realizable value for the purpose of inventory valuation is the implementation of which of the following concepts? Option A, the going concern concept. Option B, the separate entity concept. Option C, the prudence concept. Option D, मैचिंग concept. सो इसका राइट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन सी. A cash book with cash bank and discount column is commonly referred as the prudence concept. Under the prudence concept, do not overestimate the amount of revenues recognized or underestimate the amount of expenses. Next question is, the concept of separate entity is applicable to which of the following types of businesses? Option A, sole proprietorship. Option B, corporation. Option C, partnership. Option D, all of the above. So इसका right answer होगा option D. Ownership in business entities can be a sole proprietorship, partnership or corporation. From the accounting perspective and its purpose, these types of business are considered separate entities from their owners. The corporation is only one considered as a separate legal entity. Next question is, does prudence concept allow a business to build substantially higher reserves or provisions than that are actually required? Option A, yes. Option B, no. Option C, to some extent. Option D, it depends on the type of business. So इसका right answer होगा option B. Prudence is the application of caution in the exercise of the judgments needed in making the estimates required under conditions of uncertainty, such that assets or income are not overstated and liabilities or expenses are not understated. However, the exercise of prudence does not allow, for example, the creation of hidden reserves or excessive provisions, the deliberate understatement of assets or income, or the deliberate overstatement of liabilities or expenses, because the financial statements would not be neutral and therefore not have the quality of reliability. Next question is, the revenue recognition principle dictates that all types of incomes should be recorded or recognized when option A, cash is received. Option B, at the end of accounting period. Option C, when they are earned. Option D, when interest is paid. So इसका right answer होगा option C. The revenue recognition principle dictates that all types of incomes should be recorded or recognized when they are earned. The revenue recognition principle, a combination of accrual accounting and the matching principle, stipulates that revenues are recognized when realized and earned, not necessarily when received. Next question is, the matching concept matches which of the following? Option A, asset with liabilities. Option B, capital with income. Option C, revenue with expenses. Option D, expenses with capital. So इसका right answer होगा option C. The matching concept matches revenues with expenses. The matching concept is an accounting practice whereby firms recognize revenues and their related expenses in the same accounting period. वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर करना एंड प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. थैंक यू सो मच.